Hello, this is question 13 on your mixed exercise 5 from the other team. You have two circles, C1 and C2, both radius 12, have centers O1 and O2. O1 lies on the circumference of C2 and O2 lies on the circumference of C1. So we have a situation like this. The center of one is in the circumference of the other and the center of O1 is in the circumference of circle 2. The circles intersect at A and B, so these 2 points, and enclose the region R. So this area here, yeah, this is R. We have to show that angle AOB is 2 pi thirds. AO1B. So we are talking about this angle here. This angle. If you use symmetry, so we are looking about that, we need to find that angle. If instead of looking at the triangle, you look at this other triangle, so this one here, this angle has one side is the radius of this circle. This side is a radius of this circle. And this side is the radius of this one or this one because it's the same. So all the sides are a radius, which means it's an equilateral triangle. Yeah, the radius was 12, so all the sides are 12, 12, 12. That means that angle is going to be 60 degrees. In radians, we are working in radians, so it's going to be pi thirds. Yeah, so alpha is going to be pi thirds because it's equilateral triangle, which means the angle that we are looking for, which is, they call it AO1B, is going to be 2 alpha, so it's going to be 2 pi thirds. Yeah, so it's not much working out, it's just realizing about that triangle. Yeah, then for B, it says, hence, write down in terms of pi the perimeter of R. R, we say, is this enclosed region. Yeah, we are looking at this perimeter here. So this arc and this arc. So what we are going to do is to find one of the arcs and multiply by 2. One of the arcs, this arc is corresponding to this angle that we found here. Yeah, so the length of this arc, so AO2B, the length of AO2B is going to be equal to R theta, because it's in theta, no, we call it alpha, 2 alpha, or I don't know how to call it, 2 alpha. Yeah, so R is 12 and the angle that we found is 2 pi thirds. Yeah, so this is 8 pi and this is half of the perimeter because this is symmetrical. Half is going to be twice that. Yeah, so the perimeter is going to be 16 pi centimeters. Yeah, double that. So this is one arc, this is the other arc. Find the area of R, so this area here, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. This area here is going to be the area of, I'm going to split this in 2 and I'm going to find the segment. So I don't know how much to clean this, but let me change color at least. So if we split this in 2, because it's going to be easier, this area here is exactly half of what we have to find. Yeah, we are going to find the area of R is twice this pink area, and this pink area is a segment for this circle. Yeah, we're going to find the area of the segment, finding the area of the sector minus the area of this triangle. Remember, so our area of a segment, so if I have a segment, I'm going to do the area of the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So the area of the sector is going to be 1/2 R squared theta. So it's going to be 1/2 times 12 squared times theta, that is the angle that we have in between, that is 2 pi divided by 3. Yeah, and the area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 times radius squared sine of the angle in between. Yeah, so 1/2 times 12 squared and sine of 2 pi thirds. Yeah, which means the area of one segment, yeah, the pink segment that I have there, the area of the segment is the difference between these two. So the sector, which is the largest, minus this one. Calculator, and we get 88.442, which means the area of R, that's the one that I'm looking for, is going to be 2 times that. Yeah, 2 times the pink area. So it's 2 times 88.442, which is 176.884. And let me see if we have to round to 3 significant figures. So when we round to 3 significant figures, this is going to be 177 centimeters, square centimeters. Yeah, 3 significant figures. And that's all with this question. I think it doesn't come with a sketch, but it's important to do the sketch to understand what you're doing. Yeah.